Hi, hello. In this video, we're gonna discuss on that how to learning English communication series. Like I'm also in this video not preparing for the communication skills in my mind. What can it is the coming? I flow on that way. Like the sum of time I am the communication skills the practice like every day. Like I'm listening the lot of the content. I'm reading some of the books. I am I'm I'm watching the some of the English content also, but I can't speak. The some of the people they can easily speak their communication skills. I don't know what is the reason, but yeah, I must put in the effort in the daily basis. So in my opinion, the confidence it is the key. Like the some of the people they haven't the confidence, but they are having the inside of the skill. So that is the key answer in my opinion. So the basic communication skill it is a need important, like how to say, the daily based the routine, like I am wake up. So like that way, the basic communication skills you should know, because of you much listening the lot of the content, but that is absolutely okay. But the basic communication skills like important, like the new words and the present tense and past and future. Like I was played game yesterday. So what can I say? You should learning the tenses first initially. Like that is the key answer. But every person they're listening the lot, but they can't. They're practicing our communication skills. Like I'm also the practicing at least the more than 3 weeks. But like the some of time I'm speaking the confidently, like the rhythm. Like if I speaking the communication in the while using like using the English. Yeah, before that I am speak within my mother tongue. I am also thinking my the mother tongue, but so that is the we made the big mistakes. So the I'm the listening the lot and consuming the lot of the videos and some of the podcasts. So I can't speak because of I'm also the listening some of the YouTube channels or some of things. But the key answer it is the confidence and the basis it is the important. Like I'm also beginner, but I'm also still trying to communication with them people. So in my mind, so these are the things. So they're going. So if you know any suggestion for me, like which kind of way are you practicing, so please let me know in the comment section, so that it makes sense. So if I read, so it is makes helpful. So also I'm interested to the speak with the stranger. So if you interest to speak with me, so please let me know in the comment section. I'm sharing the Google Meet or Zoom Meet, so we gonna discuss on that. Yeah. So this is the in the video. So okay, bye. I will. So if you know any suggestion, please let me know in the comment section. Also, if you need some of the topics, please let me know in the comment section. I speak with that after I upload on this video in my channel. Okay, bye. Thank you.